Hello there, it's Jay here from Jay's Vintage Junk, and today this is a quick little update on the progress on Lola. If we come and have a quick look. Unfortunately, I got rained off today. It was a lovely hot, nice sunny day, and then it absolutely started peeing it down. So I had to pack everything back in the garage quick and pack up. So hopefully it's not damaged my painting too much, but if you can have a look here, it's looking much better than it was. I've managed to paint all the chassis rails. This has all been stripped down to bare metal, rust treated, red leaded, and then got a chassis black over it. But the best bit, and what I've just managed to get done today, is we have the new gearbox installed. Now that was some fun to get fitted in there. I had to basically push the Land Rover virtually into the garage to be able to get my engine crane in the right place to actually get this fitted in there. But that's all on new mounts. If we look down there, got all nice new mounts, both sides, all painted up. Also, as well as that, we now have some pedals. We've actually fitted the pedals now. We do need setting because the brake pedal here is far too high. There is adjustment on it, so I can get that to adjust down and bring the clutch pedal up. In fact, it's the clutch pedal, it needs a new spring on it, so that's much better. And then we've got the accelerator down there. And if anyone that's used to old series Land Rovers will know, they basically just have a bent piece of metal for a accelerator, and that's the accelerator pedal out of a Defender. Well, a Defender or a 90, something like that, 110 or a 90. And I've modified that. I've had to cut and remake the bracket at the top of it there to fit the footwell, because the series footwell's a slightly different shape to the Defender one. So we have got a proper accelerator pedal in there now. Reason for that basically is the new engine's got all cable controls for the throttle and the governor and everything, as where the old engine used all like push rods to control it. So that's set up for a cable, as where the old accelerator was set up for like rods and stuff like that, rods and linkages. That's much better, it's much more convenient. I have come across one issue, and that's this being a Series 2A gearbox. This is a Series 2A gear lever on it, and if I try and put it into like third gear, it actually it hits the dashboard, because the gearbox is just rocked back at the moment because obviously there's no engine on it. But that's when it's in its right place, and if you look, it's actually touching the the gear stick's actually touching the dashboard. So what I'm going to have to do is swap that for a Series 3 gear stick, which is basically, it's just shaped slightly differently, so it comes further out here. And it's a shame, because I rather like the Series 2A gear knob, and it's different. It pushes on a Series 3 as where it screws on the 2A. What I could possibly do is cut the splines off the top of the 3 gearbox and thread it to take that nut there, and then I could screw that knob on it. I mean, it's slightly shorter, but that wouldn't be a problem. So yeah, that's how far I've got up to in the cab. The next thing to do will be like putting the seat base back on, and obviously got to put the brake on here. That's the basically the handbrake drum, and there's a metal bit to go on there. I've just painted that up, so that's got the paint drying on it. I did sadly do a couple of little scuffs in my new paintwork here, but I'll paint them in. That was just trying to get the gearbox over there, and I had it a bit too low and I caught it. But that's easy enough to fix, and I've not done a lot of damage to the paint, just that. I'll just show you quickly. If you look under here, we now have, this is the new brake master cylinder, and it's actually servo assisted, as where the original brakes on this were non-servo assisted. So that'll make my stopping power quite a bit better. I've got the clutch cylinder in there as well. It's all bolted up. They're the new bolts I've had to put through for the new accelerator cable. And we've got it all painted. There's still some more painting to do on it. There's still I've done it all down this side as well. You look at the springs there. I've not done all the springs yet, but they are going to look all nice and shiny and black like that when I've finished. Anyway, like I said, I just thought I'd do this quick little video to show you I am making progress on the old Land Rover restoration. So I'm going to leave it there for now. I hope you enjoyed that little progress report. So thanks for watching and goodbye.